How realistic is the Mr. Robot hack where they open the doors and then start the vehicle and drive off?
The way I assess it is that they probably did a replay attack. Given that they're really close, you notice that the woman who's closing the doors is close by,
Yeah.
and they could intercept and do a replay attack and open the door. The part that is more difficult to believe is being able to start the vehicle with the laptop, because like I was
Yeah.
saying here, is you got to do your research to be able to determine what the command is. Now, maybe before they did this, they've got exactly that vehicle and they've figured out what that command is, which, you could do it in a couple hours, right? Maybe less, but you'd have to have the same vehicle, because even the same
Yeah.
manufacturers use different commands in different vehicles. Given that you know that, then you could have gone right into the vehicle and pushed a button just like I did there and said, can send, right? And started the vehicle. That's the part that's a little that stretches credulity is that they went into a vehicle that they never saw before. Apparently, maybe they did, I don't know, and they were able to start it with the laptop. That's unlikely unless they've done the research or somebody else has done the research and put it up on the internet and they would download it. There's not a whole lot of research online about car hacking. As you mentioned, Alyssa Knight has done a book
Yeah.
and has done some research. Craig Smith has done some, and there's a number of others, but there's not that much information out there. Metasploit has now built car hacking into Metasploit, but they don't have many exploits in there. I'll just show you what they have. But the important point is that they've built in the capabilities of being able to hack cars into Metasploit.
Yeah, that might come later, right?
Well, they put it in, I think it was 2018. They built the
Oh,
capability in
okay.
2018, and Craig Smith has written that part. And I was hopeful, in 2018, there was going to be more coming. Apparently, there's not that much interest in car hacking.